Right, this one's a new one. This is the enthalpy change during neutralisation. By definition, it is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of water is formed in a reaction between an acid and an alkali. So what we need to do is make sure that when we form or write our products down, in each case we only form 1 mole of water. So the easiest way to do it is basically just predict what the name of the salts are going to be, and then just make sure that you're just forming 1 mole of this. So HCl, monoprotic, monobasic, nice and easy. Water's formed, so the OH combines with the H, so we're left over with NaCl. Now unless you're told differently or you know differently, we'll just assume it's aqueous, so sodium chloride aqueous. Now this is diprotic, this is monobasic. We are going to form water, but we're going to need, for every one of these, we're going to need 2 of these. In which case we're going to form 2 of these, which then goes against the definition, so we'll come back to that in a moment. The OH combines with the H+, so we're left with NaSO4 aqueous. This is going to be Na2SO4 because this is common ion +1. Common ion of this one is -2. Okay, so switch them over. Now the problem is we need that, by definition, this needs to be 1. So we need to halve everything in the equation. So we have half of that, half of 2 is 1, half of 2 is 1, and we need half of that, and that becomes the correct equation that we need. Next one, monoprotic, monobasic, nice and easy. So we're left with KNO3 aqueous and 1 mole of water produced. Next one is monoprotic, dibasic, so we're going to need 2 of these. We're going to form 2 lots of water, and we're going to form barium, that's 2+, and nitrate, which is a single minus, so we're going to need 2 of those. So we are going to need to then half everything through to get 1 here. So there's 1, half, 1, half, and that's the correct answer for this one. The last one is diprotic and dibasic. So we are going to form 2 lots of water and 2 lots of barium sulfate. Now, if you remember correctly from group 2, also in AS, this is actually solid. Now that is not in the mark scheme. It actually says in the booklet that it's an aqueous, which is wrong. We also need to have a look as well. This is 2 lots of water, so we need to half this one, half this one. That becomes 1, and that becomes 1 as well. Let's just check. Yeah.